Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Acura TL key fob. First, make sure all your car doors, windows, and the trunk are completely closed. It's also important to have all the key fobs you want to program ready and with fresh batteries. This ensures a smooth programming process and that all your remotes will work correctly after you finish. Now let's enter programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, where all your dashboard lights come on. Within 4 seconds, press the lock button on your remote. Then, within another 4 seconds, turn the ignition completely off. You need to repeat this exact on-lock OFF sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. After the third OFF, turn the ignition back to the on position within 4 seconds. Now, press the lock button on the same remote 1 more time, again within 4 seconds. The door locks should cycle, locking, and then unlocking, which confirms your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. If you have more key fobs to program, press any button on each additional remote within 10 seconds of the previous one. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Now, take a moment to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and open the trunk as expected. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the process. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. It's packed with smart features like voice control and self-emptying, perfect for pet owners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.